Okay, these here are the budget kits. First of all, here is how you save on everything that you want to buy for camping, for backpacking, for whatever when it comes to the outdoors. Have a little list here. First of all, I always try to buy new if possible. But before I buy new, I want to make sure that that thing is on clearance sale, 50% or more off. These items that I talk about as far as outdoors go, from mess kits to lanterns to just about everything, is hard to find at 50% off or more, but they are there. Now, when it comes to mess kits, these kits are basically very cheap. They're thin metal. They're notorious for burning the food if you cook it with too high a heat. So you have to be very attentive to that. Stay with your food when you're cooking them. There's no problem. But these kits here are unbelievable. Brand new kits now that are available in Walmart. I picked up at a clearance sale for $3 a piece. I think right now they're $9.97. Here's what's in them. Just quickly going through this because I have a lot of different things to show you. Stay tuned. And all that's going to be in a little video I made for you. You got your inner pot, typical frying pan, but something I want to show you. These here are very thin, very thin. They're good. They will hold your food. They will get the job done. See how thin that is? That's why when you cook with these, you better put the oil in there, the grease, the lard, whatever it is. Of course, you only want to use healthy things in there. Plastic cup. These are El Cheapo mess kits, but they will work. They will keep you alive and cook your food. I like the higher quality ones. They do cost money, more money, and you have to save up for those usually. But these here, $3 a piece. Oh yes, they're worth $3 a piece. An older kit that I picked up at a yard sale, $2. That's not bad. It's basically the same thing, but it's a lot older. You just scrub it up and clean it. Cups. Now, I like the stainless steel cups. And you can use it. $2 at a yard sale. That's not too bad. So, look at this one. This is a step up from Wally World. $5. This normally goes for about $15 or higher. As a matter of fact, they've changed this design just a little bit. And it could go way up there. Here, stainless steel's a little bit thicker. That's why sometimes you've got to look around and search. And you may not buy anything for a long time because you're waiting for that good deal. Copper plated on the bottom. Very good. See, that's a little bit thicker. But these are good. Comes with a bag, which is virtually useless because this here tears very easy. But $5, brand new. So you have to search the sales. And I'm talking clearance sales. 50% or more off. You can find them, but it's very difficult to do so. Now here are the secrets basically. Try to buy new if you can. Clearance items only. 50% off or more. Or maybe you want to go to military surplus. I like military surplus. It's good. Yard sales is another way to save. Flea markets is another way to save. The final way is the thrift stores. I put those last because those usually cost a little bit more to go shopping there. The internet, you know how the internet works. Search the internet, but usually anything on the internet is gone minutes later after it's put up, if it's really, really low price. Okay, so let's go ahead and get on with the small video that I did of some clips of items I've picked up over the years. Bought brand new by me at an extreme discount, or I picked them up at yard sales. I picked them up at the flea market, and they work. Brand new stuff almost, and never had a problem. I picked up binoculars at 50% off. So search, you will find. Thank you very much for watching. Now on with the show.